Hey everyone, today we're going to be taking a look at a beautiful knife from Reate, the J.A.C.K Integral Flipper, now available at knifecenter.com. Reate is a brand with a commitment to manufacturing high-end knives using premium materials, state-of-the-art CNC equipment, and industry-leading techniques to create some of the best production knives we've seen. As such, they've become a popular production choice for custom knife makers. Whether putting out mid-tech versions of their designs or even collaborating on new knives, Reate has partnered with heavyweights like Todd Begg, Ramon Chavez, Enrique Pena, and Liong Mah, just to name a few. One of Reate's knives that pushes the envelope of production knife making is the J.A.C.K. Designed by Solo J.A.C.K, this knife really shows off what Reate is capable of, with rugged yet sleek design paired with eye-catching and high-performing materials. The dramatic clip-point blade comes in head-turning Damasteel or workhorse M390 stainless with a satin finish. The flipping action on this knife is nothing short of excellent. A firm press of the flipper tab and the J.A.C.K opens smoothly and with authority, thanks to double-row ceramic bearings and a perfectly tuned detent. The frame on the J.A.C.K is where Reate's true engineering and impressive build quality come into play. Tire handle, lock included, is all machined from a single piece of titanium to be as strong as possible while eliminating the need for a backspacer. This is a pretty rare feature in the production knife industry, as it takes a lot of skill and high-tech machinery to get it right, all of which costs money. Despite that, the Reate J.A.C.K remains a good value for the level of craftsmanship and materials that you're getting. Reate really went the extra mile to make sure there was something for everyone. Each variation gives the knife a distinct look and feel, while also nailing the ergonomics, nestling perfectly in the hand. The J.A.C.K is a wonderful example of Reate's manufacturing prowess. A knife that looks great and is assembled perfectly, with all the elements you could want in a premium knife. To get your hands on one of these amazing J.A.C.K knives from Reate, click the link in the description below. And to keep up with all our knife-related content, be sure to like and subscribe. In the meantime, don't forget to visit the original and best online catalog of cutlery at knifecenter.com. And check back often to see what deals we're running on the best knives and tools on the web.